How to create gradient color change on scroll in Wix Studio. So in order to do that, just choosing here a particular part or a particular section that you want to apply it. So I'll just choosing here this section and then just click on any blank part of it. Now click on this icon right here in order to open the inspector. Now once the inspector has been opened, head over and then click onto this animation and effects. So for this one, just choosing here the scroll option, then click onto this add. And then you can choose in here or see in here some more options based on that. So you can choose in here cell or for the particular cell itself or on the canvas option. Just head over and click onto this right here and then choosing here color option. So you can also go over and choosing here a custom animation that you would want or a preset one. So for this one, you can also change up on click and choosing here the trigger. And you can see right here that we having here the actual animation of what that will look like. It will change from black into pink right here. So that's how you create gradient color change on scroll in Wix Studio. Hope we help.